Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing shakes. But what if I'm allergic to dairy? Forget smoothies. It's shake time. All right, here's all the fixins. Let's add it. 100% cocoa, 10x sugar, and of course coffee. Mix it good. Add your cream to tartar, and it's perfectly glacé chocolate syrup. Frozen whole milk plain yogurt, blueberries, a little regular yogurt. Mix her all up. Throw it in the glass. A little whipped cream on top. And a dollop of chocolate. And, oh, that's supposed to be a blueberry. Absolutely beautiful. Next is cherries with frozen whole milk. And add a little milk to it. And then throw it into your glass. Same deal, whipped cream, chocolate, and then this time a cherry on top. Absolutely wonderful. Beautiful color too. And this time it's an actual milkshake. We got Haagen-Dazs vanilla ice cream. We're going to mix in some of the beautiful chocolate syrup there. Coffee, of course. Mix her all up. Pour it into the glass. Whipped cream and chocolate. And voila. It's blueberries with frozen yogurt, cherries with frozen milk, or vanilla ice cream with chocolate syrup and coffee. It's all a treat. It's summertime. All right, people. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.